golden light on the crops that yield, morning dew on the tall green grass, makes me slow down, makes me ask how you paint the sky so white, hang the stars just right at night, and still you see this heart of mine, every tear I try to hide. I see you in the rivers running, in the way the wildflowers bloom, in the hush before the thunder, in the harvest coming soon. Every sparrow, every wave, every breath my lungs can take, Lord, you're speaking without a sound in everything you made. Wind through trees like a Sunday hymn, fields bow low when the light grows dim, crickets sing when the day